Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to automatically turn off mobile data when you put your phone charging in your Samsung phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After opening the settings app, just scroll down a bit and then go to modes and routines option. Then tap on routines, then tap on this plus icon. Here you can see two options, if and then. At first you have to tap on add what will trigger this routine. Just tap on this plus icon. From here scroll down, then tap on charging status. Then you have to select charging from here, then just tap on done. Now you have to tap on what this routine will do. Just tap on this plus icon. From here go to connections and scroll down. Here you can see mobile data, then just tap here and then select off from here, then tap on done and then tap on save. From here type your routine name. If I select charging, and you can change your icon and you can choose any icon as you like and then choose any color, then tap on done, and that's it. Now the routine has been saved successfully. Now your mobile data will be turned off automatically when you put your Samsung phone on charging, and that's it. And that is how you can automatically turn off mobile data when you put your phone charging in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.